In today's video, I'll be showing you this amazing hair growth spray that will help you to grow your hair, stop hair loss, treat alopecia. If this is what you're interested in, please watch the video to the end. So besties, the first ingredient we'll be using is cloves, and we're also going to be using lavender for this recipe. So you guys know that cloves is so amazing for your hair growth. It treats thinning of the hair, it stops hair loss. When you use it consistently on your hair regimen, your hair will stop shedding. Okay, and there's a difference between hair loss and hair shed. Okay, so I'm just going to add a few cloves and a few lavender. You can, if you are looking for an exact measurement, you can use 1 teaspoon for each, but if you want to do a bigger batch, you can use tablespoons for each. So I'm doing a smaller batch and I'm just adding my water. This is a measuring cup of water I used. I'm not doing a bigger batch. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to allow this to infuse for a whole day. Okay, this is what it looks like after one full day of infusion. Okay, because the water is not hot, the water was cold, so it took it longer time to infuse. So this is the water we are going to use for my hair. I'm on braids right now, so I'm going to be incorporating this tea on my hair to go out my hair from the inner and moisturize my hair as well. So if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, leaving your beautiful comment. I really do appreciate. Please do well to share the video as well. So I have strained it and this is the water we got. Okay, so after this I am going to be adding a oil inside, like one of my essential oil. Okay, I'm going to add it inside here, which is lavender. I'm going to be adding lavender essential oil into this oil. Okay, because I want it to, you know when you add oil and water, water is going to moisturize your hair, while oil will seal in the nutrient, and lavender essential oil too is very beneficial for your hair growth and for your scalp as well. So you're going to be spraying this directly on your scalp, not on your hair, because this is going to help you treat lice, treat dandruff, treat any dry or itchiness of the scalp. So this is the recipe we have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're going to be trying this, and let me know if you've tried these two combination together. You can use cloves in so many ways, which I'll be bringing out the video very soon. So this is one way I use incorporate clove in my hair growth regimen as I am on braids. I told you guys in my previous videos that since I'm on braids, I'll be doing some teas on my hair. So this is another tea I have brought out that I'll be using on my hair for now. So besties, this was the same day I made this recipe. I sprayed on my hair, and have you guys seen the video where I show you guys about the hair grease I'm using on my hair that has been growing at my edges? I'm going to link it. Please do watch, check it out. Like, that thing actually works so well. So this was, I feel, the second week of me having these braids, or either the second week or the first week of me having these braids on my hair. As you can see, the braids are still a bit new and fresh. Okay, so I'm just going to be using this to be spraying all over my hair to moisturize my hair, to seal in all the moisture so that my braids don't get dry and your hair is not going to smell. So if you feel your hair is going to smell, it's not going to smell, because even me that is living in Africa, my hair is not smelling. So I use this to treat my hair, and this is after 3 weeks of carrying it on my hair. You can see there's a growth like from my scalp to the beginning of the braids. There's a bit growth there. You guys can see that the braid is already getting older, and you can see that there's a growth in my hair. So what do you guys think about the recipe? Another recipe of me treating taking care of my hair while on braids will be coming up so as well. Please watch to check the video out. So besties, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This is going to treat your scalp. Like you can see, there's no dryness on my scalp. My scalp is so moisturized. It's so moisturized and so healthy. And again, it's the tea is giving me growth on my hair. You guys can see that there's growth on my hair. Alright besties, I'll see you all in the next one. Please stay subscribed to the channel, like the video, share it, leave your beautiful and awesome comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.